Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking about Outlook and how to make sure that you retain and back up your contacts and information. One of the things that people often make a mistake about is they're not actually saving their contacts. If you click on your contacts and you don't see all of your contacts appearing, then the chances are that you've got them in the auto remember. So when you type in here, and say for example we've got Bruce and he appears, that doesn't necessarily mean that Bruce isn't one of your contacts. If you get an email from that person, an easy way to fix that is you just right click on the person's name and say add to Outlook contacts. When that pops up, you can fill out the rest of the information. Once you've got that done, to do a complete backup of your Outlook, you're going to click on File, Open and Export, click on Import and Export, and then Export to a file. Click on Next, and then go to Outlook Data File. And what you want to make sure, see if you've just got Inbox selected, the only thing you're going to be backing up is your inbox. If you do Contacts, the only thing you're going to be backing up is your contacts. But if you go right to the top, everything is going to be backed up, which is going to get your inbox, your outbox, your contacts and everything. You've got to remember to make sure to include subfolders. Click on Next and Finish. It's going to ask you if you want to do a password, and unless you're really good at keeping your password secure, it's better not to check that. Otherwise, when you go to import it, unless you know your password, you're not going to be able to do anything. Click on OK, and that's going to back everything up. From there, if you ever want to import it, you can then import it. So remember, always save your contacts and then go ahead and do a backup. And that's a good thing to do every couple of months to get a good backup of your Outlook. I'm Roland with Impress Computers. If you've got any questions, give us a call, 281 647 9977.